Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. Children, are you studying at home? Very good. You have to study also at home. Okay? Touch with your books. Okay, children, this is our second video, and as we have done our previous topic, so today we will come to our next topics. So, children, we were doing chapter number 1, that is knowing our numbers. So, children, see, today we will cover these topics. What is first topic? Our first topic is place value. Second is Indian system of numeration. Third is international system of numeration. So, today our first topic is place value. Let's go to our first topic. See, children, first is expanded form. In this picture it is shown that expanded form. What is expanded form, children? Expanded form means a number is given to you and you have to expand it, okay, in such a way when you add this number you get the same number. So that is known as expanded form. It means showing the sum of the value of its digit. Showing the sum, it means you are adding the numbers and you are getting the same number which we are having as a quotient. Understood? Now next come the place value. What is place value? Place value means the value of that number in its place. Okay, it determines, as it is written, determines the value of a digit based on its location. Okay, class, what is place value? The value of digit based on its location. It means the value it is containing in that place. Okay, so as you have learned in your previous classes, ones, tens, 100, 1000, the same way we will continue our today's topics. So see, here we do first question of place value. See class, first question is find the place value of 3 in 4, 3, 5, 6. Okay, see what is given? 4, 3, 5, 6. Okay, see class, what we will do class, see, this is ones. You have already learned in your previous classes. You have to start from your which side? From your right hand side. Ones, this is tens, 3 number is 100 and 4 number is 1000. See, again I am repeating, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. This is the place which these numbers are containing. Okay, this is called the place value. It means 6 is having which place? 6 is having ones place. See, it is given here. 5 is having tens place. 3 is having 100 place and 4 is having thousands place. Understood? Understood all? Yes. If we have to find the place value of 3 in the given question, so what we will do? We will do ones. What we will do? We will count the digits. Ones, tens, 100. What is the number? What is the place value of 3 here? This is 100. So you will make that number 300. Understood? What you will make it as? 300, or you will write that 3 number and how many digit it is containing behind that you will put the 0. This is the secondary. Again I am repeating. Okay, I will do second question. Okay class, see, second question is find the place value of 1 in 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, we have to find its place value. See, 8 is ones, 100, 1000 and ones place is 1000. Okay, again I am repeating, 8 place is ones, 4 place is tens, 2 place is 100 and 1 place is 1000. Understood class? Okay, now see, we have to find the place value of 1. So where is 1? Yes, 1 is where? 1 is here. See, so which place it is having? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So what I have told you, we will write 1 and we will make it 1000. This is 10, this is 100 and this is 1000. Understood? This is 1000. Understood? See, again we count. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 1 is having 1000 place. So you will write 1000 there. Okay? Now, secondly, I am telling you, second trick is that, see, I have told you know that the value of that which number you have to find, you write that number and the digit behind that number. See how many digits it is having behind? 1, 2 and 3. That is 2, 4 and 8 is having behind that 1. Okay, so what these will become? These number will become, you will write the number which you have to find the place value of which number, that number you write and the digit behind that number. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3. It is having 3 digits, so you write 30. This is the second trick. This is the second trick. Okay class, understood? I hope you all have understood. Okay, for finding any place value, what you have to write? You write just that number and the numbers behind that number. Okay, you put the zeros. Understood? Or you can follow ones, tens, 100, 1000. If it is 100, you write that number and put double zero. It will become 300 or 200. Understood class? Now we go for our next topic, that is types of number system. See, there are two types of number system. Okay, first is Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. Hindu-Arabic is, we are very familiar to this. See, we are doing now in our small classes, what we are doing? Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Understood? This is Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. Okay, and today we will learn new thing, that is international number system also. So how many types of number system are there? There are two types of number system. First is Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. Second is international system of numeration, or international number system also you can say. Understood? Okay class, see, this is our place value chart given here. See what is written here? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, see, ones, tens, and this is lakh and this is crore. See, ones is having how many part? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. See, this chart is called Indian system of numbers. What is called? Indian system of numbers. Understood class? Again I am repeating. See, first one is ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. See, these are divided into 3. Check. We will not go for this. We will go for down one. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Understood? Okay. This is called Indian system of numbers. Now second one is international system of numbers. Same way, what is, see, here is also few things are same, but something is few are different. See, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 billion, 100 billion, billion, and then so on, billion. So we will cover only for millions. Understood class? Now see, this is the questions given here to you. See, this is given 68368537954. Okay, see, in Indian system of numeration, your steps for putting the commas is that first comma, see, this is given first comma after 100 place. See, this is ones, tens, 100. 9 place is holding 100 place. So first comma will come there. Okay, second comma will come where? Second comma will come after 10,000 place. See, this is ones, 4 places, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 3 is having 10,000 place. So second comma will come before that. Okay, now third comma on 10 lakh place. Okay, see, count ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 8 is having 10 lakh place. Understood, class? Same way, what it will become? It will become 6 crore 85 lakh 37,954. Okay, this is for Indian system of numeration. We will go for international system of numeration. See, first comma is coming where? It is coming in 100 place only. Ones, tens, 100. 9 is having 100 place. Second comma after 100,000 place. This is before 5 it is 100,000 place. And third comma after 8 digits. 3 plus 3, 6 plus this 2, 8 digits. It will come in millions. 68,537,954. Understood, class? Okay, class. See, there is one video for you. See this.
Of numeration. Look at this table. It shows the periods, the places, and the digits. The 6 and 7-digit numbers are placed in the ones period, the thousands period, and the lakhs period. The 8 and 9-digit numbers are placed in the ones period, the thousands period, the lakhs period, and the crores period. According to the Indian place value system, the ones period consists of the places ones, tens, and hundreds. The thousands period comprises of 2 places, thousands and 10,000s. The lakhs period comprises of 2 places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. And the crores period also has 2 places, crores and 10 crores. The greatest 7-digit number is 99,99,999. And when 1 is added to it, we obtain the smallest 8-digit number. We write it as 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And we read it as 1 crore. Similarly, the greatest 8-digit number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. 4. We write it as 3, 6, 7, 2, 1, 3, 9, 4. It is read as 3 crore 67 lakh 21,394. Let us try one more example. We write this number as 1, 9, 0, 0, 6, 3, 1, 0, 8. We read this number as 19 crore 63,108. Did you notice? Here we did not read the zeros, but we did write them to show the place value. Now let us look at the international number system. Look at this table. It shows the periods, the places, and the digits. We know that 7-digit numbers are placed in the ones, the thousands, and the millions periods. These periods too comprise of places. The ones period comprises of ones, tens, and hundreds. The thousands period comprises of thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. The millions period comprises of millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. 1 added to the greatest 7-digit number, 9,999,999, gives the smallest 8-digit number. Look at the example on the board. We write it as 3, 6, 7, 2, 1, 3, 9, 4. The number is read as 36,721,394. Let us try one more example. We write this number as 1, 9, 0, 0, 6, 3, 1, 0, 8. We read this number as 190,063,108.
Class, I hope you all have understood the video. So here I am going to explain you. See, this is Indian system of numeration and this is international system of numeration. See, Indian system, what we write? Ones, tens, 100, then 1000, after that 10,000, I'm writing in short, then after that lakh, then 10 lakh, then crore, after that 10 crore. Understood? Class, see, this is for international system of numeration. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 10,000 here also, here also. It will be same for both the numeration. Okay. After 10,000, there will be a change. That is, it will be 100,000. After that, it will be 1 million. After that, it will be 10 million. And after that, 100 million. Understood? This is one category, this is one category, and this is one category. There are 3 categories for international system of numeration. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. After 10,000, here is 1 lakh and here is 100,000. Then 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. Now see, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000 because it is also having 5 zeros here. It is also having 5 zeros. Okay, understood? Same way, I'm showing you some fill-ups. See, fill in the blanks. 1 crore. 1 crore will come in which system? Indian system. Okay, crore will be in Indian system and million will be in international system. Okay, million will be in international system. Understood? 1 crore is given here. See, 1 crore, see, look here. 1 crore is equal to which number? 1 crore is equal to 10 million. How many million? 1 crore is equal to 10 million. So what will come here? Here will come 10 million. Understood? Now see, this is 1 million is equal to dash lakh. Million will come in which section? In which system? Yes, international system of numeration. Okay, class? International system of numeration. So 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. So what will come here? 10. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Okay. Now comes 1 lakh. 1 lakh is equal to dash thousand. 1 lakh will come in Indian system. Okay, and thousand can come in both the sections, both the numeration. So 1 lakh will be equal to, see here, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. So what will come here? 100,000 is here. Understood? I hope you all have understood. Here we will discuss about commas in numbers, where we have to put commas in Indian system and in international system. Understood? See, if any number is given to you here, 7, 4, 6, 9, 3, 2, 1. Okay, if suppose this number is given to you, what you will do for Indian system, what you will do for Indian system, first comma will come after 100 place. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100. First comma will come here. Understood? Second comma will come after 10,000 place, or you can say after which number? After 5 digit, 1 2 3 4 5. Second comma will come here. Understood? See, one easy method I am telling you, whenever you are given any Indian system, name is also whenever you are giving any number, its name is also changed according to Indian system of numeration, and its name is also changed according to international. Both name change are different for both numeration. Okay, so first in Indian system, your steps is, first comma will come after 3 digit, next comma will come after 2 digits. Understood? First comma will come after 3 digit. See, if any number is, I am writing again here any number. The first comma will come after 3 digits. Okay, then after 2 digit. Again, if any number is given, then after 2 digit. Understood? Understood what I am telling? First comma will come after 3 digit. 3 means 1 2 3 digit. Then second comma will come after 2 digits. Okay, in international system is there. What is there in international system? If this number is given to you, in every step, see, in this question, in every step we will take comma where? Comma after every 3 digits. 1 2 3, then comma will come here. Again 1 2 3, again comma will come here. This is the easy method for remembering the commas to put in Indian system and in international system. Again I am repeating, in international system you will put commas after 3 digits. Here 3 digit, here 3 digit, then so on. Okay, but in Indian system you will put comma, first comma after 3 digit, then after 2 digit, then after 2 digits. Understood? Understood? I hope you all have got what I am trying to say. Class, here we have one question. 8,400,307. See, I have told you, ones is having how many place? 3 place. Ones, tens, 100. 1,000, 10,000. Then in international, 100,000. Understood? 1 million, 10 million, and 100 million. Understood? It is given 8 million. So where will come 8? 8 will come here. 8 million. It is given 400,000. How many thousand is here? 400,000. So 400 will come here in this place. 100,000 is here because the 400 will come in thousands place, and this will be 307. It will be 307 because 1 stands 100. This will come here. So what will be number our? 8,400,307. And where we will put commas? comma we will put in international system because it is in million. So comma we will put after three digits. How many digits? 3 digits. 1 2 3. One comma will come here, one will come here. Understood? I hope you all have understood. Now second question we are having is 3,843,000. What is given? 3 million. The million will here 3 million. It is given class only 843. So 800, here is 100 place, tens place, ones place. It is 800. So 8 will be 143. So 4 3 will be ones tens place. This is remaining. Yes or no? Because here is 100,000 place and here is 1,000 place, 10,000 place, 10,000, and here is 1,000 place. So how many digits are remaining here? 3 digit means 30 will come here. Understood? So what will be its standard form? Standard form mean in commas. How we will write it? In commas, in because it is million, it is international system. Because million comes in international system, so this will be 330 here and 843. You have to put comma. In international system, as you all know, we put first comma after 3 digit, 1 2 3. Again after 3 digit. In international system, again I am repeating, in international system we put comma after each and 3 place. Okay class? Class, I hope you all have understood. Class, you have to do this homework. This is the homework. First question is place commas correctly and write the numerals. First you write the number, then you put the commas. In international system, you will put comma after 3 digits. In Indian system, you will put comma. In first comma will come after 3 digit and in after 2 digits. Understood? Then here in the question number 2, you have to put comma first, then you have to write it according to the Indian system of numeration. I hope you all will do this. We will meet in our next class.